Thank you for stopping by Lovesick Lake Park and RV Sales. We're taking a close look here at the Forest River Park model. This is a Quailridge Premier with 3 bedrooms. Still offering plenty of nice open living space and a beautiful upgraded kitchen. All the furniture is included. So not only do you get your mattresses in the bedrooms, you get the dinette, bar stools, and a sectional sofa here in the corner. Lots and lots of windows for plenty of natural light. And you have the entertainment center there in the corner with the electric fireplace down below. TV is even included. Nice propane range here, solid surface countertops, extra deep stainless steel sink there with all the bells and whistles. Again, they fit 3 bedrooms in this unit, plus a nice large bath with a full-size shower. Not completely assembled quite yet, but it is ready. We have 2 bunk rooms, plus the primary queen bedroom here in the back. Plenty of built-ins for storage. Closets and more built-ins on this side. Convenient access here off the back through a man door right into the bedrooms and bathroom area. Again, this one has 2 bunk rooms. So this has 2 double bunks plus a closet. And the 3rd bedroom features 2 single bunks plus a closet. Lots of windows throughout for plenty of natural light. Lots of room for everyone. Sleep and enjoy time at the trailer. Stop in to Lovesick Lake Park and RV Sales to take a look at our park models. Get the best prices in Canada.